as you'd expect, we are working on the truck again. So let's go and see what's happened. That right there is the problem because, well, that was on there, but I changed it for this one and snapped it. Just the same as I snapped the extension only like 2 weeks ago, which I should have here somewhere also. No. Yeah, there it is. Extension. So that was on there obviously, and we snapped the thread out of it. So it's shorter, standard height, and it's like as high as my knee to change gears. So we don't like it. So we're going to change it. We've got a whole new setup. So let's check out the whole new setup. Here we go, whole new setup. 909 stick, brand new gear, shift, knob, splitter, the works. So we got new airlines, new joiners, new fittings for the splitters, and we've got a new bolt and bush section for the bottom here. So it is going to be all brand new. So I'm going to pull that out now and we'll time lapse that, I reckon. So let's do that.
Alright. Well, I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest.
Righto, the old stick is undone. Bit of not an issue, but a bit of a struggle there getting one side, excuse me, of the bush out from the bolt, the plastic bush, nylon bush, whatever you want to call it. But that's it. That's 909 stick. So by the time the shifter goes on, it's pretty much going to be as high as it was. So this is a bit of comparison. With the rubber all bunched up here, but I'll get it down there. But that's, there you go. Oh, down lower. Shit. Yeah, there you go. That's the difference. Not bad at all. I'll get all this stick. I'll get all this stick bolted in at the bottom, and then I'll get the handle on the top of here, and then I'll do one at a time the airlines. So yeah.
I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no, this ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail.
Alright, we're just building up some air, but that's where it sits at the minute. I've done all these pretty firm. I'll just pull them down a touch just to straighten them out nicely. I'll zip tie them up nicely, and then I've got my foam to go back around it, and I've also still got my big leather boy to go back around it. So we'll see how all that pans out, but for now just going to build some air pressure, check it for leaks, and then bolt it all back together. Screw the rubber down, put the surround on, and got ourselves a new shifter.
I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah, I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no, it ain't easy, darling.
All done. She's in. She is a beauty. Perfect height, pretty much spot on with the dash. The other one was a bit higher, but that's perfect. That is perfect. Now I've got to clean all this junk out. So there's the old snapperoonie. So we'll hold on to it because it's still a perfectly good working unit. And always get a new adapter for the top and put some new airlines on it, some new fittings. She's good to go. Never know when we might need one, so we'll hold on to him. But yeah, we're back here now, so we'll go for a drive and just see what it feels like with the big stick, and yeah, pack all my tools up and my new spares. Call it a day, I reckon. Truck's cleaned out, so let's jump in and see what the initial impression is, I guess, while it's all back together. So we'll move it back around the side of the house and see what it feels like. It feels nice already. Oh yeah. So much nicer. The standard bush in that 9.0 stick is way better than the orange. Like, I can't remember the brand now, but I did get it from Gilbert Roach, the orange bush for the old gear stick. People that remember that video, but this is so much nicer. I'd like to get another washer on there though, on the top of the box, just to tighten it up a bit more. But I don't know, I'll get used to it, I guess. Feels good, love it. I'm sure you'll see more about it as the days go on. That's me fan coming on because I got the aircon cranking in here. Make sure I'm not going to run over nothing. But yeah, she feels good. Big fan. Big fan. Oh, it's just so quiet. Oh. Yep. Alright, initial impression is love it. Fucking love it. I don't know why I would ever miss a standard shifter like that, but yeah, I'm a fan. I like it. Oh, Jesus. There she is, shifter's in. She's washed as of this morning. I'll tie shine her up a bit later on, get her ready for work, and she is good to go. I'm gonna go sit down and edit this video and just relax. So hope you've enjoyed this video. Plenty more to come. We're gonna do more in the new year. That's the plan. So if I slack off, get up me. Get up me. Get me moving. So we won't need any motivation, I reckon. We'll be just fine, but have fun.